Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umurud dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. The honorable juries and all of the participants. First and foremost, let's raise our praises and gratitude to the one who created the dualism of the world where there is no one without the other. Thus, the sky and the earth, the moon and the stars, the oceans and the land, the beautiful and the ugly are all created, completing life in the universe. Secondly, may blessings and peace always flow abundantly upon the messenger, the leader of the community, who eradicated crime and immorality, who radiates the light of salvation, and who is able to intercede for the community on the day of judgment. He is the great prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On this special occasion, I would like to talk about the important role of pesantren and madrasah in shaping etiquette and moral character of Generation Z and Generation Alpha, the two generations who are growing up and becoming the future of our nation. We live in an era where technology is advancing rapidly and globalization is spreading fast. This brings many challenges in educating our children, especially when it comes to character, etiquette, and moral values. Generation Z and Alpha, who were born into the digital age, are often exposed to the internet, where not everything they encounter is beneficial. They can easily be influenced by shallow information and lifestyles that stray from the noble values we hold dear. However, we must believe that we are not alone in facing this challenge. Pesantren and madrasah play a vital role in shaping young people's character and teaching them the importance of noble conduct that will be their foundation in life. Ladies and gentlemen, pesantren and madrasah have long been known as institutions that not only teach academic knowledge but also instill high moral values and religious teachings. In these institutions, that not only to be smart but also to be wise in their action. The educating they receive goes beyond books, focusing on how to become a good person who practices noble character. Generation Z and Alpha, who are often surrounded by a fast-paced, sometimes confusing world of information. Pesantren and madrasah can serve as strong pillars in shaping them into wise, ethical individuals grounded in religious values. Here are several key roles that pesantren and madrasah play in shaping etiquette and noble character. The first, instilling religious and ethical values from an early age. In pesantren and madrasah, students are taught to uphold religious values like honesty, respect, hard work, and humility. These values are essential in shaping young people into individuals with strong moral character. The second, building social awareness and empathy. Pesantren and madrasah also teach students the importance of caring for others, fostering empathy, and understanding diversity. Through religious teachings and social activities, students learn to appreciate and support those around them. The third, equipping with life skills and social competence. In addition to religious education, pesantren and madrasah provide students with life skills that are important in their everyday lives, such as communication, teamwork, and emotional management. This prepares them to interact well in an increasingly complex society. The fourth, developing discipline and responsibility. At pesantren, students are trained with discipline, not only in terms of religious practice, but also in their academic and daily lives. This discipline is crucial in shaping young people, in shaping a generation that is not only knowledgeable, but also responsible toward themselves, their families, and society. The fifth, setting a good example. The leaders of pesantren and madrasah, such as kiai, ustaz, and teachers, serve as role models for the students. They don't just teach, they show how to live according to religious practice and moral principle. Through their actions, students learn what it means to have noble character. Ladies and gentlemen, for this reason, it is important for all of us, whether as parents, teachers, communities, or the government, to continue supporting pesantren and madrasah in fulfilling their noble role. The character education and moral guidance they provide will be the foundation for Generation Z and Alpha to face the future. We must trust that with the right guidance, they will grow into a generation that is not only knowledgeable but also virtuous, ethical, and active in building a better nation. I invite all of us to continue supporting and strengthening the role of pesantren and madrasah as institutions that prioritize religious and moral education. Let's work together to shape a generation that is not only excellent in knowledge but also in character and etiquette for a brighter and better future. Thank you for your attention. I hope my words today will inspire and benefit all of us. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.